guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of a background in Photoshop with just one click. This is going to be very quick, so stay alert. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to import a picture of this very handsome young man. We're going to make a duplicate of our picture layer with Ctrl J as we talked about last time. Now this is to keep a sample so you can see the difference at the end. We're going to select our first layer and we're going to now come down to the eraser tool. Usually it should be like this, so select the eraser tool, right click on it, select the background eraser tool, click on it. Make sure your layer is selected, your image layer is selected. Now go to window, click on properties and select background remove background. First, usually this is like quick actions is locked like this. We're not opening it for the first time. So what you do is click on the drop down arrow, you find your remove background, you click on it and give it a few seconds, maybe about 10 seconds or 15 seconds. There we go, it's open, it's done. The background is out, your picture is clean. You can just export this as a PNG and use on another background. So this is the before and this is the after. So it's as easy as that. Remember to like, share this video to your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's keep the ball rolling. Stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.